Hello, hello, how do you do? How are you? Sabay pang ganun, hello, how are you? Now, it's already 11, almost 11:30. So, I took my breakfast because I didn't yet finish the room of Madam because she's inside and the dining side and the hammam of Madam. So, now, I just take a break for my breakfast. So, now, I prepare this one. I had a tomato only. Tomato I make like para ay gigisa ba? Ganon. Tapos ayan, hummus. Yan yung hummus nila. Dyan. Sweet pera. And this one is the sweet also. Okay? So, yeah, yela. Come here and we can eat. Yela, kain tayo. Breakfast tayo. Nationwide and worldwide come to take our breakfast. Sabi pang ganun ang kapal. Akala siguro kung marami yung handa. Ganito lang naman. At least simple, mabusog. Ayan yung Lebanese salmon ko. Hindi talaga laging mawawala yan. Yan na yung kapalit ng rice ko. Okay. And then, yung iba naman sa ibang countries naman, ano na yata, tapos nang nag-almusal, tapos tanghali na rin yata, tapos maghahaponan, matutulog na. Yung iba nagtatrabaho, kami dito sa Baghdad, sa Iraq, kami dito sa Iraq, surely pa. Ganito pa ang oras, hindi pa nagtanghali ang oras. Pero yung iba naman ganitong oras din nagbe-breakfast mostly. Maliban sa mga bata, children, some of them is eating early. Breakfast, some of them naman is very late. It depends. And the individual families, that's all. Okay. So, yun lang. Kain muna kayo. Kain muna ako bago tama din na si Madam pa nandoon pa sa room. At saka, mas mainam na yung makakain muna. Kasi kanina ayan yung Nescafe ko at saka kasi kahapon siya yung isang nakaraan yata yung 3-in-1 ang bigay ni tita. Kaya ganun, kaya ngayon nag-Nescafe ako. Pero mas maraming Nescafe yan nilalagay ko kaysa gatas. Okay? Kasi pag umaga gatas lang naman ang iniinom ko. Saka ako nag-ano ng Nescafe o whatever siya, o kung anong meron pwede ako. Kahapon pala green tea. Okay? So once again, thank you again. Thank you for your full support to my YouTube channel. Thank you to subscribe me, and I wish you are open arms. Grabe, social open arms talaga. To subscribe and to watch my another videos also. And thank you for patient and kind. All of us, those to subscribe of my channel, and those person also that planning pa to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm just make it hehe because at least it's heard also. What's that? Seriously, I'm talking may taglis system, diba? So, maiba naman din. Make a change. Not all of course, not all bridges is the same. Not all person is the same. Nationwide na and worldwide na magkaiba talaga, diba? We are not the same. That's why, so, ganito lang. Simple lang what we are. Kung who you are. Ganun lang. Basta, ang mahalaga ito. May work, kakain. Thank you very much, God. Thank you so much for everything what we have. And good health, yun talaga. Lagi sinasabi ko, good health. Keep safe. Take care and everything what you are, where you are. Okay? God bless you us all, and bye.